Let's practice English for travel.
Yes, English you need when you travel.
First situation, at the airport.
Checking in for a flight.
Hello, I'd like to check in.
Sure, may I see your passport, please?
Here you go.
Do you have any luggage to check in?
Yes, one suitcase.
Okay, please place it on the scale.
Is my flight on time?
Yes, boarding starts at 9:30 a.m.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your flight.
Next situation, airport security.
This is very common.
Please remove your shoes and belt.
Okay.
Do you have any liquids?
No, I don't.
Please walk through the scanner.
Sure.
Now let's talk about arriving at a hotel.
Checking in.
Hello, I have a reservation.
May I have your name, please?
Yes, it's under John.
Okay, I found your booking.
What time is checkout?
Checkout is at 12 p.m.
Is breakfast included?
Yes, from 7 to 10 a.m.
Great, thank you.
Here is your room key.
Now let's practice asking for directions.
Very useful while traveling.
Excuse me, how do I get to the city center?
You can take the bus or a taxi.
Which one is faster?
The taxi is faster, but more expensive.
That's okay. Thank you for your help.
No problem.
Next, ordering food while traveling.
At a local restaurant.
Hello, can I see the menu?
Of course.
What do you recommend?
Our local dish is very popular.
I'll try that.
Good choice.
Finally, a travel problem.
Like a delayed flight.
Excuse me, my flight is delayed.
Yes, it will depart 1 hour later.
Okay, thank you for the information.
You're welcome.
Travel English doesn't need to be difficult.
Simple sentences are enough.
Practice these sentences before your trip.
And you'll feel more confident.
Let's continue with more travel situations.
Yes, things that often happen on trips.
Now let's talk about boarding the plane.
Waiting at the gate.
Excuse me, is this the line for boarding?
Yes, boarding will start soon.
Which group can board now?
Group B can board first.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Next situation, on the airplane.
Talking to a flight attendant.
Excuse me, could I have some water?
Of course, still or sparkling.
Still water, please.
Here you go.
Could you help me with my seat?
Sure, what seems to be the problem?
I think my seat doesn't recline.
Let me check for you.
Thank you for your help.
No problem at all.
Now, arriving at the destination.
Going through immigration.
Hello,
Hello, what is the purpose of your visit?
I'm here for vacation.
How long will you stay?
About 1 week.
Where will you stay?
At a hotel in the city center.
Okay, enjoy your stay.
Thank you. Next, baggage claim.
Waiting for luggage.
Excuse me, my luggage hasn't arrived.
What does your bag look like?
It's a black suitcase with a red tag.
Please fill out this form.
When will I get my luggage?
We will contact you as soon as possible.
Okay, thank you. Now, renting a car.
At the rental desk.
I'd like to rent a small car.
How many days do you need it?
For 3 days.
Do you have a driver's license?
Yes, here it is.
Great. Please sign here.
Travel plans don't always go perfectly.
But simple English helps a lot.
Don't be afraid to ask for help.
Most people are happy to help.
Travel English is about confidence.
Not perfect grammar.
Practice these sentences.
And your next trip will be easier.